biggest productivity mistakes you might be making without even realizing it. If you want to protect yourself from these unknowingly made mistakes that could be ruining your productivity, even your life, then you're at the right place. I have spent almost 3 months studying productivity, watching tons of videos, reading numerous blogs and books. What did I find? There are four major mistakes people are making that are killing their productivity. Mistake number four. The fourth biggest productivity mistake is not having a clear plan. If you wake up with no idea what to do, you might feel stressed because you have so many things on your mind. As I mentioned, I did lots of research, so I watched a Brian Tracy video where he said, plan your day the night before. When you plan your day the night before, it helps you a lot, believe it or not. Have you seen Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle? In the movie, the characters each have different strengths and weakness. One of them is Shelly Abron. Shelly is the map expert who helps the group navigate through the jungle. Imagine if they didn't have Shelly, the map expert, would they have ever made it through that crazy jungle? Without him, they had been totally lost in the jungle. Think of planning your day like having a map in that jungle. Without a map, you don't know where to go and you might get stuck or confused, right? But when you plan your day the night before, it is like having a map that shows you exactly where to go and what to do. So, to avoid getting stuck and feeling lost, plan your day in advance. Be the map expert of your own day and make things easier for yourself. One of the biggest benefits of to-do list is that it gives you motivation. You might think, come on, how can it give us motivation? But guess what? Yes, it is a motivation. Because each time you finish something from the list, you're clearly telling your brain, I finished something, I completed a task. That makes you feel good. And now that you feel motivated, here is another task that is gonna give you an even better feeling once you finish it up. When you finish tasks one by one, you gain more motivation with each completion. Once I was hanging out with my friends and one of them said, oh, having a to-do list is such a waste of time. It is totally useless. I asked her why she felt that way. She said, I just spend hours on it but never actually do anything from the list. I was like, how can planning for the day take hours? And how can it be useless? So I asked her to show me her to-do list. When she showed me, guess what I saw? I saw something strange on their list. The things you need to do, like washing face, brushing teeth, and drinking water. It was all written down. I couldn't stop laughing because her list was so long, not gonna lie. The point is, you don't need a super long list for every little thing. Keep it simple, you're human, these things are routine and don't need to be written down, right? It's just creating more confusion for yourself. Keep your list focused on study and work-related tasks. Write it on paper, give each task a number, and put that list where you work or study. List all the important tasks and then prioritize them, determining which is more important than the others. And of course, you must watch the video until the end because I will share the most harmful mistake that people are making, which is killing their productivity. Mistake number 3. The third biggest mistake is not taking a break. Imagine you are driving a car on a long journey. You keep going without stopping for fuel, thinking I will get there faster, but eventually the car sputters and stops. That's what happens to our minds when we don't take breaks. Eventually we run out of fuel. Ali Abdaal, in his book Feel Good Productivity, emphasizes that taking break isn't a waste of time, it is essential. When you take regular breaks, you recharge your batteries. It helps you feel less tired, keeps your mind fresh, make it easier to concentrate, keeps you feeling happy and less stressed. Aim for a 5 to 10 minute break every hour, and most importantly, don't use your phone as a break. Don't chat with your loved ones or friends because if you start talking to them, you might get distracted and end up using your phone for 2 to 3 hours. Also, avoid YouTube shorts, reels, or any other short videos. You might plan for a 5 to 10 minute break but end up spending hours on your phone. Keep your phone in a separate room if you don't need it for work. Most of us use laptops for work, right? Or you can just put it on silent. My humble request to all YouTubers is not to recommend using phones as a break because it can destroy productivity. For a break, move around, stand up, stretch, or take a short walk to get your blood flowing. Get some fresh air, look away from your screen to rest your eyes. You can also go to the place you like, whether it's a park, a quiet spot in your house, or by the sea. Just close your eyes and feel the air. Enjoy the nice chirping of the birds and the soothing sound of the water. Mistake number 2. The second biggest mistake you might be making is ignoring your health. I mean, seriously, why do so many people treat their bodies like they are made of steel? People are messing up their sleep because of work. They are not sleeping well, not eating properly, and not staying hydrated, all for the sake of work. You might think you're top, but you're actually just making everything harder. That's not a smart move, it is a productivity killer. You could be spending 10, 20, or even 30 minutes on something that should only take 5. Alright, everyone, let's be real. Don't treat your body like it is just a tool for working and nothing more. Your body deserves better. Think about it, we are humans, not robots. So let's give ourselves some self love and care. After all, your body is your best friend. Treat it well, and it will keep you going strong. Taking care of myself is the real path to greatness. And you know what? You might be thinking, how can we achieve success without hard work or non-stop work? I'm not saying don't work hard. You have to work hard, but also make sure to give some time to your body as well. Take care of it. I love myself and see myself as a successful person more than just sitting at home doing nothing. But to make yourself successful, you have to take care of yourself. Your brain and body are what achieve success. So why will not we take care of our bodies? Think of it like this. If you have a crush on someone and those feelings turn into love, you will want to win that person over. You have to take care of them, show them love, and put in the effort, right? That care and attention make them more interested in you. The same goes for your body. You're achieving success because of your body and brain, because of yourself. So why will not you take care of the body? That will help you embrace success in the end. And now we have come to the most important part, the biggest mistake people make. This is the one you really need to hear. It is a game changer. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not enjoying the journey. It might sound surprising, but it is true, believe me. Folks are taking their studies, works, or exams way too seriously. They are getting so stressed out that they forget to enjoy the journey. What does that even mean? Well, it's about finding joy in the things we are doing, even if they seem tough or stressful. Like if you have an exam coming up, why get all stressed and sad about it? Instead, think of it like a game. Seriously, approach it with a mindset of curiosity and fun. It is like leveling up in a video game. Each test is just another challenge to beat, and with each one, you get better and stronger. As I mentioned before, I tried my best to find these secrets. I have read many blogs and watched numerous videos to discover them. Now I know you might be thinking, how many times is this girl gonna mention her hard work? But seriously, it is really important to share this with you because I want you to believe in me and trust me whether you subscribe to my channel or not. If you learn and gain any knowledge from this, I know you will subscribe to my channel on your own, but the small thing I want from you is just to share this video with your friends or family members, or you can simply tell them about these mistakes without sharing the video because I want everyone to protect themselves from these mistakes that I discovered through months of hard work. Seriously, I want the best for you. Okay, let's continue and get back to the find. So, after doing these months of hard work, where did I find the secret? Who knows more about productivity? Of course, Ali Abdaal. He is an expert in productivity. I also read Ali Abdaal's book Feel Good Productivity, where I found this secret. Instead of forcing yourself to work, find the ways to enjoy the work. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy what you are doing. Love what you are doing. Now, you might be thinking, how do I learn to enjoy my journey? If I'm a student or if I'm doing any job or my own business, stay in touch with us. I'm gonna share exactly that. Well, there are many ways to learn to enjoy the journey, but I will share the best one here. So, the first one is to set up your environment so nicely that when you work there, you get good vibes and feel comfortable. When you are sitting in a distracting place with noise from people and a bad smelling environment, why would you enjoy the journey? Now, many of you might say that you don't have money to create such a fancy environment. Come on, you can simply decorate your work or study place by writing your favorite course on a chart and putting it on the wall. Set up a clean desk, a good environment, and a water bottle. Place things you like. It could be a flower, a painting, a cup of tea, or a cartoon. Any decorative items you like. Learn to enjoy your work and your journey. Don't take it too seriously. If you have an exam, just think of it as a game. Work hard in that fancy environment with good vibes. So try to make your working or studying environment so good that you like to work there and enjoy your journey. Alternatively, you can work or study with your friends in a comfortable environment. Call your friends and ask them to study or work together. You can do this either outside or at your house with your friends. Working together with friends can make the task more enjoyable and productive. Enjoying good food together during breaks can make these activities feel less like work and more like enjoyable moments, such as watching movies. Believe me, keeping these small things in mind can lead to a dramatically big change and greatly increase your productivity. Alright, folks, here's the deal. If you drop a super simple summary of the video, I might just pin your comment. Also, let me know if you think a to-do list is helpful. I promise I will answer all your comments and just a little thing at the end. If you learned even a tiny bit from this video, tiny bit, give it a thumbs up. See you next time, and until then, take care of yourselves.